Hello everyone! Today we're taking you to the charming town of Žužemberk, just a short drive from Ljubljana. If you love history, nature and stunning views, this is a place you don't want to miss. Žužemberk is a picturesque town in Slovenia with around 1,200 residents as of 2024. Nestled along the scenic Krka River, the town's natural beauty is simply breathtaking. The river's crystal clear waters wind through lush landscapes, adding to the town's charm. It's not just about the scenery though. Žužemberk has a deep historical significance. The town's iconic medieval castle is a proud reminder of its rich past. The architecture here is a beautiful mix of medieval and traditional Slovenian styles. The castle and the old town centre are the main highlights, offering a glimpse into the town's storied history. As you walk along the riverbanks, the tranquil atmosphere of the Krka River enhances the experience, making Žužemberk a must-visit destination for history buffs and nature lovers alike. Speaking of the Krka River, it's one of Slovenia's most serene waterways. Winding through the Dolenjska region, the river is known for its gentle flow and crystal clear waters. It's a haven for wildlife and a popular spot for kayaking, fishing and swimming. Towns like Žužemberk along its banks benefit from its scenic charm, with the river creating a peaceful, picturesque setting that's hard to resist. Now let's talk about Žužemberk Castle. This majestic medieval fortress towers over the town, offering stunning views of the Krka River Valley. Dating back to the 13th century, the castle has seen centuries of history, from medieval battles to noble life. Its thick stone walls and towering spires made it a critical defensive structure in the region. Even after suffering damage during World War II, the castle has been partially restored and stands as a cultural and historical landmark. Visitors can explore its remains, soak in the panoramic views, and feel the deep connection to Slovenia's rich heritage. And with that, we wrap up today's video and our series on Slovenian cities. Next time, we'll be starting a new adventure in Croatia, so make sure to stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.